Are Indians really good in maths? Let's check this out. Namaste, welcome to my channel, welcome to Thinking Asia channel where we talk and react things related to India. So thank you so much for passing by one more day. You know, mi casa es tu casa. And I love how a lot of you is now taking that phrase like part of you, because I do put it there in the comments all the time, and then you said as well opposite. So really, thank you so much. Is sukra, right? Sukra, something like that is in Hindi. Thank you. Well, thank you so much. And if you're new in the channel, don't forget that you can subscribe here, something like this. And as well, you can follow me in my Instagram, thinking.nash. So guys, I kind of interested to watch this video, because yes, I think so that's like a well, I don't want to say a myth, but that's something that what Indians are famous for. But because it's like always about Indians, it's always about tech guys and it's like computer things, and it's always like very smart. Actually, I think Asians are in general, you know. Actually, we have a phrase here in this part of the world that we say, you think you are good in something until a nation come and show you that you are wrong. So I think so Asians in general, that they have like amazing genes, and Indians in particular is as well like such a big talent. But let's check this video and then we talk about this, if it's true, not true, it's a myth, not myth. So let's check it and then we talk about this.
Guys, it's Marie from Asian Boss. What is 9 cube? Try to figure this out in your head without using a calculator. Of the many stereotypes that people have of Indians, we hit the streets of Mumbai to find out whether or not ordinary Indians are good at math. So let's dive right in.
So, a BBC report stated that an Indian bride walked out of the wedding after the groom failed to solve 15 plus 6. How do you feel about this?
Good thing she did. It's actually easy.
Perfect. That's like basic knowledge. Anyone should get to know how to add 15 and 6.
Yes.
All the best to her. Yeah, get a better groom, please.
Shameful. I mean, if I can't do it, I'll be okay if someone walks out on me as well. Like, it's such a stupid thing not to. I mean, if you can't solve 15 plus 6, then you're stupid. Then nobody deserves you.
I feel bad.
But it's not about being stupid.
I obviously
You
feel
still don't have
bad
that ability,
because,
I guess.
See, marriage is not something, two people connect not because of their intelligence. The heart should be connected, I feel.
If this
But
was an
you have to
incident in
connect by
rural
intelligence.
India,
Yeah.
specifically in the areas like Haryana and that sort of plate, so yeah, being good at mathematics and sciences is a matter of pride over there. Like relatives will come to your house, instead of asking, hey, how you're doing in life, how comfortable are you, like what do you want, they will ask you mathematical tables and stuff like
Really?
that, just to prove themselves,
Yeah.
make you feel small, or like check you out.
Globally, Indians are known for being good at math. Do you think this is true?
I don't think that's true, but for some specific cases, it could be true.
Yeah, it is true.
Yeah, I guess in a way, it is a little bit true. The way that we taught math is different than the way I guess other countries do.
It doesn't stand for everyone, you see. We have a
Yeah,
diversity in terms of that, and not everyone can be good
Exactly.
in maths. And that's a wrong conception if you have that.
That's because we have a lot of maths from childhood. We don't depend on calculators. We don't depend on computers so much. So
Exactly, you
definitely
train
they are
more
better
your
at
brain.
numbers.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how good would you say you are in math?
1.
7.
7. Okay. How much do you usually score?
Above 90.
Actually, I'm really bad. I wouldn't say anything. You can say 2 or 3.
I'm going to ask you a couple of math
Yes, amiga.
questions.
Very good.
Try your best to answer them, right? What is 87 plus 87?
174. 174.
What is 87 plus 87?
174.
12 into 14?
168.
Okay, I'm like 2 in maths.
No? Okay.
I
What's
have
the
other
square
abilities.
Of 18?
324.
What is the square of 18?
Many other
80,
abilities,
324.
guys. Don't judge me for my mathematics abilities.
326.
You are there, 324. What is the square of 18?
324.
That's true. Cube of 9?
981, 721, something like that.
729.
29, yeah.
What is the cube of 9?
729.
Yeah. What is
Okay,
the
maybe we'll
root
get
of
two in
256?
16.
Yes. What is the square of 12?
144.
Okay. And he says that I'm not good at math. What is the cube of 9?
729.
That's true. Root of 256?
Yeah, the root.
16.
That's true. What is the cube of 9?
Yeah, I was confused.
729.
That's right. What is the root of 256?
16.
What is the root of 256?
16.
16 is true. Okay.
Good.
So how were those questions? Easy or difficult for you?
They were okay. I mean, they were not too hard. These kind of math problems are actually easy for Asians, I think.
Indians
Yes,
seem to
exactly.
have a
Asians
unique
is what
way
I
of
was saying.
calculating big numbers in their head and with their fingers. Could you show me how to do it?
So you have like 4 divisions in each of your fingers.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
4 in each. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes till 20. 5 into 4, 20. So that way you keep counting. If you have to add something, suppose 8 and 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have to add 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives you a 12.
How did you do the first one? 87 plus 87. How did you do that?
80 plus 80, that's 160. And then 7 plus 7, 14.
Okay. So there you go.
Just add both of them up, yeah.
There is more than one way to solve a question, a particular question, and those ways are not just told by our teachers, or
Yeah.
we ourselves discover some ways to solve a particular question.
Do students use calculators in school in India?
No calculators.
So I
a
know
key.
that for a fact in universally, I'm pretty sure most of the countries they allow, Western education allows calculators, but in India, like even right now in college and even for the entrance exams and stuff, you have no access to calculators, whether it's derivatives, integration, nothing. So yeah, it's
Do you think that the Indian society has high standards for the general public on math?
yeah. I think Indians are expected to know quite a, like mental
That's-
maths and stuff
I am
pretty
Mexican,
well.
guys.
Even if you're in a corporate, if you're working in an
That's
office
the
or
proof that
something,
I am
like,
Mexican.
There are some things that people expect you to know without taking to calculate without using a calculator, basically.
It does because, see, this is the land where zero was discovered, okay? So it is intrinsically in our brains that we are good at maths, and plus accounting concepts, everything was developed in India. So it's a basic understanding with all Indians have in their mind that you should be good in maths.
But good
When you go
is
into
like true.
government schools, you'll have below average English teachers, below average social science teachers, but you'll have all right mathematics teachers. So naturally, your expectations for mathematics grows from there only.
If you consider Indian parents, which is the Desi parents, then yes, they do actually. I mean, I scored 80 to 100 on math, which I think is pretty good. But my parents were not happy at all.
What would you like to say to people overseas who have these stereotypes about India?
Not all of us are good at math, but quite a few are. So that's it. I mean, there are quite a few things you all are good at too. The only thing I'd say is
Yeah,
the
we
fact
put in
that
other
they
things.
do not allow children to rely on calculators is like the biggest thing, because that really does help in the future. If you
Okay,
don't
I
need
would
to-
do that.
You don't have the
if
urge
I ever
to
have a kid that I don't
take a
think
calculator
so,
out, and you're
I
able
will
to
check that, or
do
even with
stuff
my
in the room.
nephews.
To be very honest, I myself want to know and research about that why is this why is this stereotypical image that we Indians are only good at maths, and why not the outsiders one? Don't have the stereotype in their minds that only Indians are good at maths. It depends only on the person.
It is actually the
Yeah, of
social
course.
pressure due to which the perception is that majority of the Indians are good at mathematics.
Yeah, majority, exactly.
The natural capability is, I believe, the same all over the world. It's the socio-cultural phenomenon over here which promotes mathematics in a way, and you see the result that way.
I hate maths,
Did
to be
this
honest,
video
guys.
change your perspective of Indians' math skills?
No, I
Let
think
us
it
know in the
even get it
comments.
like better.
For more authentic insight into the latest news and culture trends from all over Asia, be sure to subscribe to Asian Boss and follow us on our social media. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
That was really good video. I really enjoyed it a lot. Like, to be honest, guys, I'm not the best one in maths. I have to say it, hands up, I'm not the best one, but I have a lot of talents. I know how to cook very well. I know how to make a lot of desserts very well. I am very artsy. I know how to paint. I know how to draw. so I am more artistic side. I would say I'm the artistic side of the family. When some of my siblings are more in the mathematical side, but I don't care, because yes, like they say, it's different, just different talents. But it's amazing how in your schools they are not allowing a calculator for anything. That's just amazing. Like here in Mexico, yes, you are allowed. So I think so that's the big mistake. Because my dad is extremely good at maths, my dad he can make like results, everything like that. And he said because he never used a calculator, then I think so that's the key. Like, so I think so if I have nephews or something, I would just not let them to use the calculator, because it's great. But of course, I think so it's not a bad stereotype. Of course, I feel that maybe the people will feeling like some kind of pressure toward this, but I think so it's not a bad stereotype. But like in Mexico, we have the stereotype that people is very lazy, and it's not true. I think so that's a very, very bad stereotype of the drunk people just sleeping, in the cactus. That's a very bad stereotype doing by the states. But I think so this stereotype, like, although it's not all the Indians are good in maths, you have a big quantity of people, for the way that you educate them, that they are very good in maths. So you have to be proud of it, just own it. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if it's like that, just put there in the comments, what do you think? Are you good in maths or not? I said I'm the worst, so I'm okay. I can live with that. Hopefully you can live with that. You can forgive me for that. I think so, it's fine. But have an amazing night, guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye.